Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and here I have our most classical, hand carved, and heavy carving design of dining table that I'm showing you right now. Teakwood, and everywhere you see, you will find the work and the carving and the design, the pattern, everything is hand carved, made by artisans, top artisans, master artisans, because this kind of art involves years of experience and that speciality to make wood to such beautiful pieces. It's a 8-seater dining, and the size of the table is 8 feet by 4 feet top size. All carved as you can see on top, and once the glass is placed on top of it, it's ready for use. We have the classical style of bucket chair. We call it bucket because you see the design of the lower portion, and you see a bucket designs a 360-degree carved chair, and this is the classical design again. Back height is 40 inches, seat dia is 20 inches diameter, and a quite designer chair when we sit on it. You can see the whole design, a 360-degree carved chair. And another part about the dining is I'll remove the chairs so you can see the lower part of the dining as well, and you can see the carving design. And here the design you can see from the bottom, the pillar part, and this is how this design is. This is not just one design. We have got so many works, so many designs to show you. If you visit our website, you go to our YouTube channel, Instagram channel, Twitter, Facebook, and other social media channels, will find so many designs. And the best part remains, everything is as per choice. We call our furniture choice wala furniture because everything, the color, the pattern, the natural finish the client wanted, the gloss finish they wanted, and then the fabric, you can see this grayish steel gray kind of fabric they wanted. So everything is as per client's choice, and this one is going to Kolkata. We are delivering across India and 57 countries outside India, and everywhere we have delivered choice wala furniture. When we talk about choice, why is it important? Because generally when you visit a showroom, you find some sets sitting there, 4, 5, 6 sets, and you have to pick one from there and get it at your home. What the showroom person does is replace the set with the identical set, same set, and a new one comes in that place and someone else buys it, and then the other person will buy it, and it happens all the time. So generally what happens is you go to a friend's place or a relative's place and you find the identical same set that you have at your home in the relative's place or the friend's place as well. But here, when we change the color, when we change the dimensions, or we change the carving pattern or the fabric, it becomes a different unit. And this is how we have made so many designs in sofas, beds, dining tables, jhula and mandir. So much stuff we have made, and everything is unique just because it has your own personal choice. And this is what Aarsun is doing for the clients across the globe, for architects, for interior designers, for home users. As you want it, we make it and deliver at your home in India or outside India at factory price. The best part, teak wood, natural finish, you want a different color, you want a duco paint, everything, including the fabric, we understand from you. We want from you that you tell us your choice and we'll make that accordingly. And this is the best part, number of designs to choose from. You can use your own creativity. You can go to AI and design something for you and let us know how you want it. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.